Hello, my friends, it's me again, this time from Planes of Fame Museum. Get ready for an unforgettable sight as the legendary P-38 Lightning takes to the skies in this exciting airshow. Known for its distinctive twin-engine design and unique appearance, the P-38 is one of the most iconic fighters of World War II. With its sleek lines, powerful engines, and impressive agility, this warbird not only played a vital role in turning the tide of battle, but also continues to captivate aviation lovers worldwide. As it roars into the sky, watch this historical aircraft demonstrating its precision, speed, and grace. It's a true testament to engineering excellence and a thrilling reminder of aviation history. Don't blink, you won't want to miss a second of this incredible performance. Let's go!
beautiful elevation. Just a little word on this particular P-38. It is in a pace speed of 23 to which was from a pilot carried out. Okay, there was a question asked about the tank. It takes about 10 minutes to warm up. So what's going to happen is the B-25 final pass, we're going to fire up the B-1. I guarantee you, the guys out in the tank are going to hear it. They're going to start the tank up at that time. So it'll give you time then to walk from here out to that area. In regards to the tank demo, it takes about 10 minutes to warm up. So what's going to happen is the B-25 final pass, we're going to fire up the B-1. I guarantee you, the guys out in the tank are going to hear it. They're going to start the tank up at that time. So it'll give you time then to walk from here out to that area.
Just had enough gas to get home.
Good day, for Chris Day here, P-38 pilot.